Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the day and night cycle on the Earth 3D map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. And in the More section you can find it the day and night cycle option. And here you can check the night and day cycle in the Earth. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.